Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Whiskey. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Located in Pass Christian, 8.8 miles from Westside Park and Splash Pad, Hotel Whiskey has accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking and a bar. Located around 10 miles from Port of Gulfport, the hotel with free Wi-Fi is also 10 miles away from Bert Jones Yacht Harbor. The hotel has family rooms. At the hotel, rooms come with a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. All rooms have a coffee machine, while some rooms include a kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge. The rooms at Hotel Whiskey have air conditioning and a closet. Guests at the accommodation will be able to enjoy activities in and around Pass Christian, like cycling. Diamondhead Country Club is 13 miles from Hotel Whiskey, while Gulf Islands Waterpark is 15 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Gulfport-Biloxi International Airport, 15 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.